If you love the idea of effortlessly creating coffee shop drinks in your own kitchen, then we can heartily recommend buying a coffee pod or capsule machine. From luxurious flat whites to tasty espressos, it's never been easier to make amazing coffee from the comfort of your kitchen. In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 pod coffee machines available right now. Check the links description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Keurig pod coffee machine. Bad coffee can be the bane of office life, and the quality of coffee can likely be used to measure the level of productivity in the workplace. With the Keurig K Select Coffee Maker, you have a solution to this problem with our best choice for coffee makers on this list. This sleek machine fits in well in the office environment with its black aesthetic and polished surface as it dispenses sweet coffee into your cup. Unrestricted to just look, the Keurig K Select Coffee Maker also makes the best cup of coffee you could ask for. The Keurig K Select Coffee Maker lets you brew multiple cup sizes, and the strength and potency of your coffee are totally in your hands. The Keurig K Select Coffee Maker doesn't compromise on quality, and no matter the size of your cup, the taste and quality of your coffee will never be besmirched. On top of that, the coffee maker has quiet brew technology, ensuring that you can make your coffee in complete silence without disturbing anyone. The quiet technology makes this an ideal product for a work environment or a home office where you have to work at night. At number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Pod Coffee Machine. Twice as nice. Whether it's for a quick cup on the go or a coffee date with friends, this nifty hot beverage maker gives you the option to select a single serving or to brew of a whole pot. Modern yet humble in appearance, this multi-serve pod coffee maker comes with another added bonus: use the loose coffee grounds option if you prefer a brand that does not come in a pod. Brew a cup with a K-cup, pod, another pod brand, or ground coffee. The included pod holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options, and the cup rest removes so you can brew into a tall travel mug. This programmable coffee maker has easy-touch programming for wake-up-ready coffee. After brewing, coffee stays warm for 2 hours and the power automatically shuts off. Auto pause and pour lets you pour a cup as coffee brews. Top 3 at our list is the Keurig K Mini Pod Coffee Machine. In the Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker, you have the cutest device ever to grace an office table. It is possible to think about this incredibly beautiful as an equivalent of Baby Yoda in its cuteness factor. However, when it comes to getting the job done, the Keurig K Mini does it efficiently. The most striking feature of this coffee maker is its small size, which enables it to fit into any environment. The Keurig K Mini is such an amazing machine to have and can make any K-pod you like with the quality you're used to with the larger devices. Additionally, it also shares the capability to work quietly with its larger sister products, and you can use this in an office environment without bothering anyone. The sleek design, ease of storage, and quality also make this coffee machine an excellent gift for someone special in your life. Moving up at number 2 is the Nespresso Pixie Pod Coffee Machine. Sleek, discreet, and designed to please, the Nespresso Pixie Espresso by DeLonghi is our best choice, and for good reason. Not only is this machine compact enough to fit snugly in the smallest of kitchens, but the 19-bar high-pressure pump also ensures that each pod is released to ensure barista-style results. Heating up in only 25 seconds, this kitchen buddy will have your cup of coffee ready in less than 2 minutes. The system heats up to the ideal temperature in just 25 seconds and automatically turns off after 9 minutes, consuming less energy. A removable drip tray is available. The red backlights light up to let you know when the 24 ounces the water tank needs to be refilled. The folding drip tray accommodates larger single-serve cups and recipes such as lattes or cappuccinos. The Pixie is also easy to clean. The spent capsules are neatly ejected into an internal receptacle. And at number 1 is the Chulux Pod Coffee Machine. The Chulux Coffee Maker machine is an obvious choice. It might not look like the most premium kitchen appliance on the market, thanks to the plastic body, but don't be put off just yet. There are a lot of reasons to love this coffee maker. First off, it's cheap. At less than $40, this machine is considerably cheaper than the Nespresso and Keurig machines that have flooded the market. Secondly, it's super easy to use. Just fill up the water tank, pop your 1.0 or 2.0 pod coffee capsule in and wait for your delicious coffee. 800 watts heating element with a fast brewing system. Our brewer with blue indicator light also features auto shutoff, preventing from overheating and keeping safe. 1 cup of hot brewed coffee will be ready for you just within 3 minutes. Also can use it as a water boiler to get hot water. The compact design takes up less space and makes this mini brewer easy to carry anywhere, especially for business trips or limited countertops. It is perfect for living room, office, apartment, meeting room, and travel car. only be used for 120 volts voltage. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.